Hope you are good. Welcome to my channel, World of Coding. In today's video, we will going to solve few more SQL Leetcode problems. So let's begin. So today we will begin with solving 1280 ID problem. Student has in examination. So we have a table student, we have a table subject, and we have table examination. And yeah, and in examination table, student ID shows what particular subject name he or she was attended. So we need to write the solution, the number of times the student has attended the particular exam, and the result should be ordered by student ID and subject name. So we have these three tables and the output. So here you can see for ID1, here you can see for maths, Alice has attended 3 times, physics 2 times, programming 1 time. So let's see for ID1, math 1, second time and third time. Similarly, physics 2 times. It should be 2 times here. 1 and then second time. Similarly, programming it has to be 1. Now, similarly, coming to ID2, math has been attended 1, physics 0, and programming 1. So let's see 2 for ID2, programming is 1, math is 1, but physics is 0. Here you can see there is no entry for physics for ID2. So here is the test. So basically, what we will begin, we will be first mapping, creating a cross joint between the student and subject table. So we will get for a particular ID, we will get the subject name it has been appeared to. So let's create a first query, subquery. Select. We will be getting subject ID, comma, student name, comma, and subject name from table students. Cross join subjects. So let me show you what it returns. From CTE. So for corresponding ID, we will get all the subject name corresponding to it. So here you can see for ID1 we will get all 3 subjects, for ID2 we will get all 3 subjects, and for ID13 we will get all 3 subjects. So now our output demands the column student ID, student name, subject name, and attended examination. So basically, in order to get the number of times a individual has appeared, we need to do a join between our subquery table and the examination table, and capture. And we will need to do a group by a particular ID and subject name. How many times student has particularly appeared. So what we will do, we will get the CTE dot student ID, comma CTE dot subject name, yeah, comma CTE dot subject name, and then we will be getting the number of time it has attended. So let's do basically a count here. We will fill up the values written. We will do a left join between our CT table and examination table. E on column student ID, yeah, equal to E dot, yeah, and yeah. So basically, this table and this table will have a join. Okay, let's do a join on subject name table as well. And CTE dot subject name equal to E dot subject name. We will do a group by on, yeah. So let's see what output it returns first. Okay, so then we will do a further operation. Okay, let's, yeah. So what it says, you have a single check the manual that correspond to MySQL server version. Okay. Oh, here should be a space. Yeah. So basically here you can see I am getting the output, and let's even print the, yeah, number of times. Okay. So here you can see the student ID, the join between the cross join table and the examination table. Okay. So here you can see for, let's see for ID 1. Okay. Let me do even order by, or it's already ordered. Yeah, it's already ordered. So here you can see math has been attended thrice. Okay. Physics basically is being attended twice, and programming is being attended once. Similarly for ID2 you can see, yeah. Similarly for ID6 and ID13. Okay. So we need to basically do a count, basically a group by. Okay. We will do a group by on these 3 columns. Okay. Let's write this CTE dot. Okay. Yeah, and we will get the value from this count. Let's instead of here we should give the name as subject name. Yeah, which will come from examination table. Yeah. Let's see what it returns. Yeah. Okay. Here should be attended exam, and also we need to be order by, basically order by. We should order by student ID and student name as per the question requirement. Yeah. So basically what we have done a group by, and we have only counted the values which are coming from examination table in order to get the exact count how many times an individual has attended an exam. So let's click on submit, and it's a success. Now let's move to the next question. Managers ID 570, managers with at least 5 direct reports. So we have a table employed with column name ID, name, department, and manager ID. It says, yeah, it says the ID, the name, department, and a corresponding manager. So for ID, who is the manager ID? If it is none, as per question, he does not, the employee does not have a manager. And output says The question says write a solution to find a manager with at least 5 direct reportees. So we need to find a manager ID which have basically 5 direct employees working under him. So so basically, um, so let's start working on it. We need to find out manager ID who have 5 IDs working under it and their name. So here you can see the manager ID 101 has 5 direct reportees and his name is John. So basically, what we can do, yeah, where ID in, what we can do, we can write a select statement here. Select ID, yeah, basically manager ID, comma, let it be from where, yeah, group by, basically group by manager ID, yeah, having count star basically greater than equal to 5. So what we have done, we find the IDs who have employee directly reporting is greater than equal to 5. So let's run our code to see whether our code is correct or not. So it says manager ID does not exist. Test code manager ID does not exist. Oh, here should be employee table. My bad. Yeah. So click on submit. Yeah. So now let's move on to the next question, that is 1934 confirmation rate. We have table signups with column name, user ID, and timestamp. Okay. So it shows each row contains information about the sign up time for the user ID. Okay, and the confirmation. So yeah. So the and action denotes whether it's confirmed or timeout. Yeah. So we need to find the confirmation rate of the user is of confirmed messages divided by the total number of requested confirmation message, and the confirmation rate of a user that did not request any confirmation message is 0. We need to round up to 2 decimal places. So here you can see, as per question, we need to find the confirmation rate of a particular user ID. Okay, yeah. So you can see for ID 3 we do not have any confirmation. For similarly we don't have for ID 6. For confirm 7 we have few. Okay, and similarly for ID 2 we have. So you can see for ID 2 out of 2 instances, one is confirmed, so it has a 50%. And similarly for 7 ID 7 we have 3 total instances and all 3 are confirmed. Okay, so yeah. So basically what we can do, we need to basically, yeah, basically do a join basically on these two tables, and we'll figure out how we can write the logic to find the total confirmation rate. First we will do the join between the signups with the confirmation table C on column S dot user ID equal to C dot user ID. Yeah, and we will do basically a group by, yeah, group by on column user ID only, and yeah, it will be this. And getting the confirmation rate, what we can do basically a summation with the case statement. Case when, yeah, when action equal to confirm. Okay, then it's 1, else it's 0, and we can write end. Okay, and okay, we need to also write the confirmation, I think, rate. Yeah, and yeah, it's okay. So we need to basically do a, we need to find out total divided by the total number of instances. So we can get from count star, and here it says that we need to round it by 2. Okay, so we will use the round function in SQL, and let's see whether we're getting the expected output or not. It shows wrong answer, which will be basically because of alias. So the column name is confirmation rate. Yeah. So what we've done, we have basically what we have calculated the total number of instances of confirm upon total number of instances. So we can find out the average, and then we have done a join between the confirmation table and signups table. So let's now click on submit.